Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing utility where it gives immediate info. Equip Recon Bolt and Spycam, then walk a predictable line to avoid shutting your camera off. Once done, toss the Recon Bolt into sight lines that watch choke points. You want early, reliable intel. Make sure to preserve one flash wire for peaks. You're trading a bit of map control for consistent tracking. That trade-off lets you call rotations and pre-aim angles faster, preventing wasted peaks and lost rounds. Once you have info, convert it into pressure. You should use Spycam to tag moving targets and relay exact positioning. That lets teammates swing with confidence. Make sure to chain a flash wire just before a push and drop a cyber cage to block vision. This isolates duels. Reposition your camera after contact so you regain sight lines. You're aiming to control timing, not just get kills. If you keep one utility for a late clutch or retake, you dramatically increase your team's options. In the final phase, set your last camera to watch the plant or common diffuse approach, then hold a strong angle and communicate the timer. If your camera gets destroyed, don't panic, rely on flash patterns and sound cues while you reset a new camera position. Make sure to practice the rhythm. First recon, then reposition mid-round, then post-plant coverage. This repetition fixes timing errors. If something goes wrong, immediately rotate camera placement and simplify calls so team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.